Welcome to Relationship Insights, where we delve deep into the art of relationships. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of memorable kisses. Let's dive in. Being an unforgettable kisser is a coveted skill, but it's not something that magically happens. It's an art, a dance, a connection. When you master the art of kissing, you hold a key to attraction. A passionate kiss can be the gateway to a deeper intimacy. But many are unsure about their kissing prowess or haven't had the chance to learn the nuances. So, let's strip it down to the essentials. Ladies, ever wondered how to leave an indelible mark on his mind with just a kiss? Let's explore how to perfect the kiss. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Kissing is an intimate exchange, unique to each pair. The perfect kiss is one where both of you feel at ease and connected. His favorite spots to be kissed? Men love to be kissed almost everywhere, from the nape of the neck, the curve of the ear, to the inner wrist. But always ensure you're both on the same page about boundaries. Remember, a passionate moment can captivate him, but an extraordinary kiss? That's something he'll reminisce about. 10 steps to a memorable kiss. 1. Lip care is essential. Before diving into the kiss, ensure your lips are soft and inviting. Avoid overly sticky lipsticks that might leave a mark. And, of course, fresh breath is a must. 2. Drop subtle hints. Instead of diving in, build the anticipation. Let your gaze wander to his lips occasionally. This silent communication can be electrifying. 3. Begin gently. When the moment arrives, start with a soft, tender kiss. Feel the rhythm and let it guide you. 4. Vary your technique. After the initial softness, introduce a hint of intensity. Show him your passion. 5. Teeth can be teasing. A gentle nibble can introduce a whole new sensation. But remember, gentle is the key word. 6. Angle matters. Switch the tilt of your head now and then to keep the dynamics interesting. 7. Let him lead too. It's a two-way street. Allow him to take charge and guide the rhythm. 8. Explore beyond the lips. Venture to other sensitive areas. The neck, the earlobes, the collarbone. Discover what makes him shiver. 9. Breathe. Especially for those new to kissing, remember to breathe. A soft gasp can even heighten the moment. 10. Practice makes perfect. Every kiss is a learning experience. Embrace the journey and refine your technique with each shared moment. In conclusion, kissing is an art form, a dance of two souls. It's not just about the technique but the connection, the emotion, and the shared moment. So, embrace the journey, learn from each experience, and remember that every kiss is a step towards mastering this beautiful art. Stay tuned to Relationship Insights for more insights into